My name's Adam, and we're going to go on a tour of the repair company shop. Let's go. This is where we do all of our auto body and powder coating. We have our mixing room. Dusty's getting ready to mix toners to make a perfect paint match to every car. This is our powder coating oven. The 10x10 oven that gets up to 400 degrees to bake everything that we do. We have a full-size cross-flow paint booth. And we also have a 10x10 sandblasting cabinet. We have a mobile paint booth. Let's go to the films department. This is where we do automotive films. We do paint protection film. We do vinyl wraps. We do window tint. We also do paintless dent repair in here. This is our clean space. We try to keep everything as clean in here as possible so we don't get any contaminants, especially in any of the films or anything like that. We'll even do some ceramic coatings over here to keep them as clean as possible. This is where we do all of our detail work. All our guys are humming. This place turns out probably between 5 and 10 cars every day for different customers, for retail, and all of our auto dealerships that we work with. Last but not least, all of our guys are out on the road because we do a lot of mobile work too. This is our upholstery repair department. We service over 65 dealerships in the area and surrounding areas. So we got a lot of people in a lot of places.